Alright, it's another road trip with Terry and Scott. We're on our way to another Hamfest, and this one is in Dorr, Michigan. We're both wearing our new D-Lab shirts. I've got the Snozzorama shirt on, and he's got a Cobbler shirt. Problem is, it's only like 31 degrees out, so we're probably going to keep our jackets on, so you won't see the shirts. But guess what? They're on my website for sale. Look at there. I just plugged it, man. Yeah. But anyway, this is it's called a mini swap. It's in they say it's Allegan Amateur Club, right? Yeah. So we really have no idea what to expect. Should be fun. I don't know. Is that the building right there?
It may be the building right there. That looks like a hall.
Yep. I see some antennas on those vehicles, man.
Turn around.
Yep. Flip around.
Yeah.
Oh, go in there.
So I'm gonna go.
There you go. We're gonna figure this out.
Oh, I might be able to go around the building.
If not, so. You can just drive across the lawn.
It's not my car.
Look, there's an antenna on that vehicle.
There you go. Look at that.
Yep.
I don't see any up. I can't go any farther than this.
Yes, you can.
No, I can't.
I can move those cones.
That's fine.
All right, we've landed. We don't see any outside sales, so I'm assuming it's all indoors. We're gonna make our way around. Of course, the sun is right in the camera, so I'll have to keep it at this angle. See? So they can just look at me as we're walking in.
Oh, yay.
Yeah. All right, we'll cut back when we hit the door. The door! Here it is.
Maybe.
Salem Township office. Hope we don't have to haul a radio out this little door. There's another door.
No, next door.
Oh, man.
Fail.
Well, there it is.
Wrong door.
I know, man. You got a problem with doors. $10. Look at there. And I hear they got biscuits and gravy over there.
Really good.
Yeah. All right.
No, that's your door price ticket.
Okay. So it's a pretty busy place. Let's start my scanning. It's going to be kind of hard to show things. I know this guy. Hello.
Hey, what's
Hey,
going on?
how you doing? Good to see you. Yeah. You gonna come down and get that courier?
I figured you sold it.
No.
Nobody knows what to do with it.
I know you do.
I do.
I know. Well, we'll get together. Yeah, yes, sir. It's good to see you. You too, sir. All right, what do we got? Looks like a Drake. How you doing?
Morning.
Drake SPR4 shortwave receiver and a scope. It's pretty noisy in here. Equipment's moving. I see 10 tech.
All right, fair enough. Thank you.
I'm gonna make sure you sell stuff. I'm gonna put you out. The whole world can see your equipment. All right. Yeah.
Sure, you get that power supply in that fan.
Oh, down there, yeah.
For the amplifier.
Oh, is it? Okay. Wow, look at that power supply. That is for the 10-tech amplifier. Yep.
100 amps, 14 volts.
We got an ICOM here, the power supply, power inverter. Okay, and this table's empty. We're gonna loop around. Some more stuff over here. This guy's got a good-looking donut. Look at that donut. Man, that thing's huge.
Can't believe it.
I'll get one. Yeah. All right. Man, there's a lot of stuff here.
Looks like 6, but you know what? I'll give you a tenner for it.
Big old coat hanger there, made out of pipes. Got some oxygen tanks, right? Who knows what those are? Cables, a little bit of test equipment, big old light bulb. Morning. How you doing?
Good, how you doing?
Good, man. Just doing my rounds. Looks like a nice Vibraflex.
It's got brackets.
Yeah. I'm gonna have to figure out what those donuts are at. Coax switch here. What is that? A kit? Let's see, it's busy in here. Hello. the side. I'm sure Scott's already buying some equipment. Morning.
Morning.
Hey. A lot of miscellaneous stuff here. Let's see some laptops. Oh, I know this guy.
Morning, Terry.
Hey, how you doing? Hey, how'd you ever, come out on that Jupiter? Any luck?
It's up and running, and it's NARYE has it now.
Ah, all right. So I know you're having problems finding transistors or
I
something.
found some on eBay that were finally good after about 3 rounds of bad ones.
Yeah. The power of eBay, man. Yeah, good deal. Good to hear. This guy's got a lot of computer stuff. Lots of stuff. I have not seen, oh, I see the donuts. We're going to have to go over and take a look at those donuts. I don't know if this is hardline coax. Probably is. It's pretty stiff. Yeah. Got a little bin of some goodies here. A couple rusty antennas. Look at them babies. Probably full of that natural oil that's good for you. What, you find anything yet? No? I've seen this before. Yeah, this has been at a couple Hamfests. What do we got over there? Morning, man. Some kind of a transceiver. Hey, how you doing?
Hey, how's it going?
Good.
How does a leaky can full of oil get rusty?
That is true. That is true.
Yeah.
Little icon. Some soldering equipment here. Okay. I think that's pretty much all of it. Wait, I just spotted a D104. Well, let's go look at the donuts. I gotta get your donuts in here. Look at those donuts. What are you guys getting a piece for those? They're $1. That's a deal. That's not bad. Most Hamfests you get like $5. Sales been good? Yeah. Excellent. This is my first time to this Hamfest. It's a lot of fun. Alright, what do we got here? This one I think sold to Kenwood $570. $500. Looks like some icons on the floor. Scott's doing a little shopping. Did you see that VFO kit, Scott? There's a little VFO kit over here somewhere.
Yeah, straight key
Check this out.
Because you could squeeze them into
Kent?
both contacts.
Right.
Yeah, I bought
It's a kit.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's 2 of them.
What I didn't realize it was a side
How many
swap.
mega dollars do you want for those?
100 for
Oh well,
both.
I mean I didn't pay a lot for it. What are you asking
For both?
100 for both.
For both or
Yeah,
one?
sell them together.
Each?
No,
Really? There's 2 of them?
Is this something you used or?
It's not mine. It's from an estate. This is a gentleman that had it.
Oh,
Signed here.
okay.
How good is it?
Yeah.
I'm doing
Some handy license plates.
There's a table I didn't get. Hey, sprinkler is something that you always look for at a Hamfest. And a leaf blower, yeah. And I don't know what that thing is. Some kind of weird thing over there. But anyway, there is some ham radio stuff here. So Yaesu, you like Yaesus? Yeah, look at there, man. And a printer. This guy's got it going on. Some
Traveling salesman.
QST magazines, bunch of license plates. Yep. Yeah, it looks like he's got some speakers over there. And some saw blades. You can always use them. It is a swap meet. It doesn't have to be ham radios. Sky. All right, we gotta go find this guy. All right, guys. So I met up with Nathan. What was your call?
KF8 ABJ.
Yeah, see, I can't remember that stuff. But Nathan is having the biscuits and gravy. And, I've always wanted to see why people would eat this stuff. So check it out. There is his biscuits and gravy. All right, so how is it, man?
Oh, it's amazing.
Is it?
I make my own homemade gravy at home.
Yeah.
One thing I do is I grew up Southern. My family's from Arkansas, and North Carolina. My grandpa actually taught me this, and my great-grandmother. I got my ham license my senior year of high school in 24.
Okay.
So, been ham for 2 years now, and I am just about to start going back to school to get my general license.
Good deal, man. Are you doing Morse code at all?
I'm trying to learn it.
Good. Excellent. So, there's his time. He wanted to be on YouTube. So you didn't, man. We met. So,
After years, I'm like, oh, he's in Michigan. I want to meet him. I really want to meet him. And finally, I was able to meet you.
cool deal, man. It's good to meet you.
Good to meet you, too.
Right? It was a parachute, and then you can wind it back up. Yeah.
Well,
Yeah.
maybe you could tie that to your balloon.
I know. I was thinking of that idea.
Hey, there's some wire right there.
I was looking at these things. Are you selling these individually too, or are you selling kind of the whole box?
What is that? Is that a hose?
That one up on the internet.
This one?
Yeah,
Look it up.
we got it.
That's the one that's most valuable out of all this?
The question is this a tube checker?
No.
Nope. It's just an empty case. All right, well, that's it. We closed the door behind us. This is probably one of the shortest Hamfest videos I'll produce this year. It's gonna be a short, but it was fun. We picked up a couple goodies, met some good people, but now we're gonna go and find a mom and pop's breakfast place. We'll see you next time. All right, we ended up in Hastings, and we're at this Riverwalk Cafe. It looks like a nice little mom and pop's place. I'm not gonna take a camera in there, but we did find a place to have breakfast.